morning. I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to talk about on the topics of batteries. So nowadays the batteries plays a major important role in this sections, and the batteries has become a moreover the engines of a EV vehicle batteries are based on this primary and the secondary batteries. So primary batteries which is based on our mercury batteries or the lead batteries based on this anode to cathode and which have only the one electrolytic solution which consists with the small voltages of batteries. And next we are going to move on with this secondary batteries which is also based on the EV vehicles and with this automobile industries and in the appliances of all electric vehicles is based on the lead acid battery. So now we are going to see about how the working principle can be included in the lead acid battery. So the lead acid battery which consists with the both reactant with this charging and the discharging process. The charging and the discharging process can be carried out by using a voltaic cell and an electrolytic cell. So here the voltaic cell plays a major role in the functions of the transfer of electrons, and in the electrolytic cell, while the electrolytic cell it transfers the energy to these batteries. So now the instruction how the batteries can be using in the form of a lead with lead oxide plates. So here the battery which consists with the anode is considered with this lead plate and the cathode which is connected with the lead oxide plates. So here the anode and the anode lead and the cathode lead oxide plates can be combined in a parallel with the series to form an connections. And with this electrolytic solution, it forms as a with the insert into the cell that will form as a polysulfuric acid. So here the cell construct with this both the anode which is a parallel to a lead oxide plates and which is connected to this form of in the field of dilute sulfuric acid. So now the reactions how the charging and the discharging process can be carried out in the uses of with the lead and the lead oxide. Now the anode can be carried out with the form of lead plates. So here the lead plates can be carried out by using in the form of lead which is converted to the form of sulfate H2SO4. We will get lead which gives lead ions plus 2e electrons with the loss of electrons. So again the lead which is converted with the 2e minus electron and again the lead ions which will combine with the form of sulfate. It forms lead 2 plus SO4 2 minus which gives lead sulfate. So this is the reaction how the lead can react with the sulfate and converting as a lead sulfate. And in this overall reaction we can cancel the same reactions by using this and we will get lead plus sulfate which gives lead sulfate with the loss of electrons. So this is the reaction how the anode can be transferred by using in the form of lead with lead sulfate. And with this cathode we are taking as a lead oxide plates. So here the lead oxide plates again which also combined with this electrolytic cell, electrolytic reactions with the sulfuric acid we will get lead plus 4H plus 2E minus. We are converting the hydrogen as a 4H plus which will give the gain of electrons and which forms lead Pb2 plus here we are going to convert the 2H plus as 2H2O and here the oxygen we convert the 2 molecules. So we will both consider as a 2H2O. So with the formation of a water molecules. And again the Pb2 plus SO4 minus will react with this reaction Pb2 plus SO4 and which gives lead sulfate. With this molecule, we are converting the hydrogen with the one molecule and sulfate with this another molecule. We will have to combine with this. And by using this the same reactions, we can cancel out the lead ions and we will get lead oxide 4H plus SO4 and with this we minus electron and with the reverse reaction we will get CbSO4 plus 2H2O. And this is the reaction how the cathode can be carried out in the formation of the lead oxide plates. So by using these types of lead oxide plates, we will get that lead plus lead sulfate and it will react with the formation of the lead sulfate that will the formula of water. And here with this anode reaction, we will get lead plus sulfate which forms with the lead sulfate and the removal of free electrons. So with this overall reaction, we have to find out how the reactions can be carried out and the voltages can be produced in this battery by using this anode and the cathode overall reactions. So here Eb plus SO4 2 minus gives Eb SO4 plus 2E and Eb2 plus 4H plus by SO4 2 minus gives Eb SO4 plus 2. From these two reactions, we have to cancel out the same reaction and we will get this reaction as Pb plus PbO2, 2H2O here, 1 is molecules, and this here 2H4 and SO4. So we can convert it as 2H2SO4 and it combines with PbH2O plus energy. This is the reaction how the plates can be converted as a and it produces the 12 voltage. Thank you.